Oh, no, no. Yeah, that would definitely be a little too aggressive to walk through the streets of Brooklyn. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I thought it would be interesting to pick up the camera and take you guys along with me in like a little date in the life of a real estate agent in New York City. Now technically I am on vacation until the end of the year, so I don't pick back up until the beginning of the year, so you won't see me working with clients, but I do still continue to preview apartments, rentals, and sales even while I'm on vacation. Although I'm an agent, well, technically I'm actually a broker, I'm starting to transition my business from being an agent to doing more real estate marketing for myself and other companies, kind of similar to what I'm doing here on YouTube. So these videos might transform from day in the life of a real estate agent to day in the life of an entrepreneur. I don't know, this is very impromptu, so we'll see how it goes. I feel like now I'm ready to start merging all the things I love about real estate. I mean, looking at properties is like first and foremost on the list, but I want to do it in a different capacity. So marketing is kind of more of the realm that I want to get into, and this is going to be kind of a journey. Maybe I'll do videos like this of a journey of transitioning in the same business. But in the meantime, let me know if you guys like these vlog style videos, because I can probably get these out to you a little bit quicker. I actually started filming a day in my life one day last week and it was a total fail. So I am hoping that I do well this time. I got a little bit of footage from that day, so before I start this day, I'm going to show that to you right now. If you guys saw my apartment tour, you know I need to seriously declutter. So I'm trying to wear things that I've had in my closet for a long time. And these are these Zara cigarette pants. They're blue and white pinstripes. And because I don't like to look super professional, that's not my style at all. I have on a t-shirt that says Hello Friday. I'm going to find a jacket. It's pretty nice outside. And then I am out the door. I'm here in my old neighborhood, Chelsea, my old stomping grounds, and I am about to preview a sales listing that is listed at, I believe, $6.9 million. It is a penthouse. I picked the most gloomy day to start vlogging for you guys, but this is the real New York. We are in Hell's Kitchen now, and I'm going to see a few places. I've seen apartments in these buildings before, but I always like to go to apartments when they're empty, so that I can have those photos and take photos, so that I can have those photos for next year, so I know what they look like. And I also sell my photos to other agents, because it's very difficult to like run around the city and take photos all the time. I'm free in the morning if that works for you. Okay, welcome to the first apartment that we're going to see. This is considered a studio, an alcove studio. Some agents might advertise it as a one-bedroom, but it's technically a studio. And this apartment is 2,400. So let's start from the front door. This is very impromptu, you guys. This is nothing fancy here. So starting from the front door, you walk into the alcove area. This is what you would make your bedroom. It does have a window, so it can be used as a bedroom. But as you can see, because the front door is there, and that's how you enter, you can't put a door there. It also has a closet which is pretty standard for kind of this size apartment. And then the bathroom is here. It's similar to my bathroom. I actually really like it. Heading out of the bathroom through the bedroom area, exposed brick, but they painted white. Through the hallway, you have a closet here, so you can have your suitcases and some extra storage. And then your living kitchen area. I'm a sucker for exposed brick, and this landlord usually has exposed brick in their apartments. Sometimes if they're in good condition, they keep them brown, but you know, these buildings were built very, very long ago. So if they start to crumble, they paint them white, and I think they actually like them better white. But this is pretty indicative of what you can get for like 22 to 2,500 in Midtown West. Like I said, we're in Hell's Kitchen, which is in Midtown West. And this is going to be around the kind of price and size that you're gonna get. I guess this would technically be considered a tiny apartment because it is less than 350 square feet, but this is pretty normal for Hell's Kitchen. Okay, we're doing these quick, so let's head off to the next one. We're in the second building of the day, heading up to the 4th floor. It's so funny to me that in the comments, you guys are like, oh my gosh, you have to walk up all those stairs. This is what we're used to. I used to live on a 5th floor. I would live on the 6th floor. It's not that big of a deal to me. You just get used to it. But yes, for this apartment, because I know people are gonna complain, this apartment is on the 4th floor with no elevator. So you're coming in from the front door, and this is your living room with the exposed brick all through the living room and into the kitchen. I'll show you guys the upstairs in a second. And then you go down this hall, and the kitchen is kind of like in a galley. So I guess you could put a small table here if you like mount it to the wall somehow and fold it down to get some extra space. Continue through the hallway. You're going to hit the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom. And the light has blown out in the bedroom, so that just needs to be replaced. But all you would be able to fit in the bedroom is the bed and the view outside of the garden. The sun is going down and it's a cloudy day, so it may not look that pretty on camera, but it is very nice. So then you head back out, and I will take you guys up to the loft area. And here's your little loft. So this would technically be the 5th floor. So it's a duplex, 4th and 5th floor. And if you want to find a way to climb out this window, then you can say you have your own private patio. These steps though are pretty narrow for my big feet. Okay, I thought I had more time, but I am running a little bit late for the whole reason that I came out of the house in the first place, which was to head to Brooklyn to an open house. We're gonna have to pick up another day if you guys wanna see more rentals. Definitely let me know in the comments below if this kind of style works for you guys, because like I said, I can get more content out for you just going along my day. But it is time to head to Brooklyn. Since it's not raining and the G train takes forever, I think I'm going to take the ferry for the first time. I mistakenly took a wrong turn and wound up in Times Square. I have to get from Midtown West to 34th Street and East River so I can catch the ferry to Brooklyn. So this is New Yorkers' worst nightmare, mainly because Elmo comes up to you at random, random people come up to you and touch you all of the time. So I'm going to try to get out of here as quickly as possible. Thank you.
Step aside, stay clear, door closing.
I got something. Everybody got something to hold on to?
just now making a few observations that I want to share with you guys. Number one, I didn't realize how long the walk was from the train getting over to the East River, but that's okay. Most importantly, I didn't really think through that I don't like boats, especially at night, and I don't like open water. Everyone else is doing it, so I feel like I should be okay.
Welcome aboard. This is the East River boat with the final stop at Pier 11. East River boat, final stop from Pier 11.
Now that I've finally made it to Brooklyn, I have to figure out where the heck I'm going. I don't know Greenpoint that well, so Google Maps is going to help me. Well, that's how far I've got to go.
Hey!
Hi, I'm here for the open house. Thank you. Hello, hi, how are you?
For them, it's kind of like John and Fred. I went to his house. Yeah.
To get some snacks because I haven't eaten anything all day.
So I went with Justin Monica came the day after I went because then came care of it. They just got one
Now that I have my snacks, I can take you guys on a little bit of a tour. I don't talk to anyone until I eat my snacks. So I mingled a little bit, and now I'm going to show you the apartment. John, you want to tell us a little bit about the place?
Yes, welcome. Why don't you guys take a look around at this penthouse? I just want to point out, you call your elevator right here, and it calls it up to your apartment. It's a private keyed elevator, which is awesome. It spans 2 floors. There's a duplex, skylight. This apartment's all about light, outdoor space. Over here you have 2 bedrooms. Each that have sliding doors that access this balcony. So let me take you upstairs. I'll show you guys the master suite. Top floor penthouse, duplex, triple exposures.
My
We'll
favorite.
save this for last.
Yeah,
How
we'll
about
save
that?
that for last. My favorite
This
part.
is the master suite. So you have master bath here. You've got the master bedroom here. With, of course, another terrace.
Another private terrace.
Which is just phenomenal. It wraps around with views, even from here, which is more Brooklyn views. The most special part of this penthouse is this giant private terrace.
And how many square feet is the terrace? do
This
you know?
is about 300. Size of a studio apartment is this private terrace with this view, like Manhattan right there, right?
Crazy.
Stone's throw away. Water views, river views, there's a ferry right there, just like, you know, ferrying people, right? You've got all of Midtown, Long Island City, you got the 59th Street Bridge, which is a cool view with, you know, the city building, which is all clouded up, but yeah, this is the, you know, premier Greenpoint penthouse. 3 beds, 2 baths, asking $2.095.
My battery is about to die, so I am going to mingle and leave you guys here. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.